Do you always feel tired and you have cracks at the corner of your mouth? It might not be stress. Students, market traders, and office workers, this is common in Nigeria. Many people think it's just stress or lack of sleep, but it can be a vitamin B2 deficiency. Hi, I'm Olamide. I'm learning nutrition and sharing simple food first health tips for everyday Nigerians. Riboflavin is also called vitamin B2, which helps your body turn food into energy. It also supports growth and keeps your eye healthy. Now let me tell you, if you notice red or sore lips, cracks at the side of your mouth, constant tiredness, your body might be lacking vitamin B2. Do you know you can get it from the foods we already eat, such as milk, eggs, rice, bread, fish, meat and liver. And one more thing, don't leave milk under sunlight. Light destroys vitamin. If you want to learn nutrition with me, subscribe and follow the journey. Comment B2 if you ever had mouth cracks or tiredness. Let's talk.